my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this makeup right now. You can use it for prom, you can use it for fiestas and stuff like that. It'll be so nice for you to do. So if you want to see how this side of my face came out, then please keep on watching. I didn't mention, I know I bragged so much, maybe probably a lot of Smashbox, but I love Smashbox, and especially their eyeshadows. I'm using this palette today again. I know again, but this is like a different kind. So the first shade that I already put it on and I forgot to film it, but the first shade that I use is this one, and this one over here is like a light brown looking shade, like a nude color. So I use that all over my eye. And next I'm gonna go with this one for my crease area to start darkening the crease area. My Dermacol foundation, but it's too light for me, so I always use it for concealer. And I'm also using this Wet n Wild eyeliner brush, and it's like really thin, like an eyeliner brush, of course. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna do like a cut crease through right here, and I'm gonna go over with this pinky eyeshadow right here from this palette. What's the point in getting with someone you don't know? Baby, so lie, you can't hide from me. I won't lie. If you speak the truth, you'll see your body next to me. I miss your body next to me. I miss your body next to me. I miss your body. Next, I'm grabbing my Tattoo Junkie glitter, and it's called Stargazzard. That's what it's called, and it looks like this. It's like a white kind of silver, I don't know, glitter mix, and I'm using my Duo. And what I want to do is just put some glue in my finger, not a lot. Like, you don't want to put a lot because you don't want it to be all over the place. Just a little tap of it, it'll be fine. I'm going over with the Tattoo Junkie 2 eyeliner, which I really love this eyeliner because it's really precise and it's really easy to put on. I'm not usually that type of person who adds pencil eyeliners. I'm more of attracted to the liquid ones, but this one is my go-to lately. This eyeliner off camera because I cannot always get the right angle for you guys to see. So what I'm gonna do is just like a little quick eyeliner wing. Two shades, this one and this one, so I can darken down my waterline area of my eye and it doesn't look like too white at the bottom. So we're just gonna add some color to it and make your eyes look a little bit more different. Eyeliner mascara, I'm using this Telescopic by L'Oreal, and eyeliner, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner, which this eyeliner, you guys, is super duper black. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it here to my waterline and to darken up my eyes a little bit more too at the bottom. Tip, I got mascara at the bottom lashes. I was so upset with myself, and then I remember that I did watch Jeffree Star one time, and I heard the trick to take off the mascara from where you got it, so you won't have to mess up and put again foundation and all this stuff. You can get a spoolie, you guys, and you can just rub it off like that, and then the mascara will come off, which I easily did it because I was so scared and terrified. I was like, oh my gosh, I just messed my whole look up and I have to redo this foundation again, this powder and all this stuff. But thank God that spoolie saved my life, and Jeffree Star as well. Using the same eyelashes, I think they're called Grace eyelashes, 3D volume lashes, and it doesn't have, it just says Grace. That's about it. And this is how it looks, which I really like these lashes because they're really poofy and it makes my eyes different. As you can see, this one has the eyelash and then the other one doesn't, which, you know, it's a little bit more different and makes your eyes and your eyeshadow a little bit more fancy looking. Final touch up to this look, and which is the setting spray. Yeah. Okay, let's close our eyes. Whew. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look that we achieved today. I hope that you guys liked it and loved it, and please don't forget to subscribe at the bottom and also click that little bell so you can get notified every single time we upload. So also, you guys, if you like makeup and you like something and people tell you not to go for it, I would say go for it. You always have to try something new in order for you to know that you like something. So never give up on your dreams and always keep going. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys so much.